What's up, West Creek?
And welcome to Coyote Entertainment Television, but better.
The show all about the creek and everything happening this week.
I'm Braeden.
And I'm Christian. This is our first broadcast, and we're very excited to introduce the ways that we make this show great.
And with that being said, let's get straight into it. So Christian, have you ever asked yourself, are you smarter than a freshman?
Alright guys, welcome to Are You Smarter Than a Freshman? Alright, here we have our freshman. What's your name? Isaac. What's your name?
Liam.
He's our sophomore, Liam and Isaac. Alright. Our first question today on Are You Smarter Than a Freshman? What is it called when birds fly to warmer climates for the winter?
Migration.
That is correct. He is in fact not smarter than a freshman.
I crumbled in a
Get out of here.
I'm out.
Get out. This is the second part of Are You Smarter Than a Freshman? We have our reigning champion, Isaac. And what's your name, sir? Devin. Look at him. Go him. All right, he's our junior. We're going to see if Devin is smarter than a freshman. What do you call a person who studies rocks?
Archaeologist.
Wrong.
Yo, you gonna put that on air, right? You gonna put that on air.
Oh no.
As you can see, our Devin is not smarter than a freshman. Get out! Alright, we are back for our last part of Are You Smarter Than a Freshman? We have Mihail. She is the senior representative of the entire school. And here we have Isaac, the reigning champion of the freshmen. Alright. So this question, if you get this right, you are possibly the coolest freshman of the entire school, and you're not. So, how many bones does a worm have in their body? 0. That is correct! Beats the reigning champion! Alright, that has been Are You Smarter Than a Freshman? Come over here, Isaac. This is our freshman, Isaac. He has been such a great sport. He was the reigning champion until our senior year, Mihail sadly ruined him. But thank you for playing, all of them. They're great.
What does he win?
You win a hug.
Wow.
Everybody deserves it.
And that brings us to the events of the week.
And now we're gonna pass it on over to the news. Passing it on to you, Richard.
Thanks, guys. This is Richard here, giving you the latest in school sports. Next week, volleyball season starts off with an away game against Kirkwood on the 21st, a home game against Northwest on the 22nd, and another away game at Northeast on the 24th. For soccer, the girls' team came out with an amazing score of 9-0. Way to go! Head coach Irby says, quote, "It was great to get some experience on a live team outside of practice. Every team faces challenges to start each season with things like communication and plays, but I am proud of how the girls handled the situation." End quote. The passing game between players on the field pushed them towards a great opening season. And now, to football, we want to thank everyone who showed up and showed out at Laverne to support the team. And remember, there's another away game on the 25th against Green Hill. That's all for this week. Now, back to you, Braeden and Christian. Peace.
Thanks, Richard. Now, Braeden, have you ever done any of those two-sentence horror stories?
I mean, I might know a little bit about them, but not much.
Well, this isn't quite a horror story, but we went around the school and asked for 2 sentences to recreate into skit form.
Well, I would like to see what that looks like. So, here is two-sentence stories.
What's your name?
My name's Shannon.
All right, give me a 2-sentence story.
All right, so me and my brother, we was going to the movies with these 2 girls, and then we went to the movies or whatever. We wasn't really focused on the movies. We was really focused on you know what I'm saying, completing the mission, the objective of what we had going on. So turns out, old girl wasn't really feeling me, but I had to stay in the movies because my brother, and then had ended up falling asleep on old girl. I woke up and she was gone.
This one's gonna be hard to remake.
Yo, me. Yeah, we gotta act it out after you done. Yeah.
What's your name?
My name is Nicholas.
Give me a 2-sentence story.
2-sentence story. I accidentally stepped on a regimental figure on the floor. Yeah, I had to do 160 push-ups.
This is why you don't step on Crest, Pride. Keep going, it's gonna be 200. Come on, knock him out. What's your names?
Udipti, Trinity.
All right, give me a 2-sentence story.
I'm ready to graduate. I have a $140 debt with the school.
Where my money at, boy? I don't know. $140. You owe me money.
Anyways, that's everything going around in West Creek this week. Don't forget to tune in every Friday during CCRP to not miss anything in the future.
Got anything you want to show off to West Creek? Just send an email to Coach King or aaron.king@cmcss.net. This is Christian.
And I'm Braeden. Signing off for the week, we are West Creek.